See that? One, it's ready. Here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, you got king hats. You're the king of the jungle, you know?
Fuck Tarzan.
Yeah, Madagascar now. I like it, move it, move it. I like it, move it, move it. From Madagascar, no? That's your ring.
Oh, even the ring.
Yeah, spice ring. Oh, careful, careful, yeah. Now you got bling bling on you, right? Yeah, bling bling on you now. Enjoy it with the Coca-Cola, not Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
I'm saying this is wonderful.
Yeah, it's really awesome.
Refreshing.
The time you done to drink the water, he will take off the flesh which is inside, and doesn't taste really like coconut. You're gonna taste like calamari, stuff like that. Mbona chumaji nikupata?
That one has a lot of electrolytes in it.
Oh, that's what they're waiting for.
Yeah, they wait. When they hear the sound of when he climb up Jumbo one, soon they will be.
Yeah, I
soon.
know.
Yeah, they know. You see all of them now. They're round right here.
Chickens, I don't know if y'all want. Well, a lipstick. No, they're fighting each other. That's funny.
Yeah.
Can you throw a big piece of it?
I was gonna say, oh, you better learn how to fight.
So when he climbed the tree and sang, all the chickens from all over come running over here.
No. The song that is for the guest, tourist.
Yeah, the song, yeah.
Yeah, because when he say like Jambo Bwana means hello mister, Abarigani means how are you, Wageni means a guest or tourist, Mwakaribishwa, you welcome. Zanzibar yetu from our Zanzibar, Akuna Matata, that means no worry.
Yeah, and they recognize the sound.
Yeah, from there, when they hear the sounds, soon they will come here. They know that now is the time to have a coconut.
Yeah.
Right, good?
Good.
Yes.
Our queen is there.
Yes. I'm very pleased.
Smile and look at the camera.
I'm happy. You know me, I'm always comfortable. I'm always.
You look like you're about ready to cry. You look like you're gonna cry.
I'm happy. I'm relaxed. And you see another good outing.
No tears of joy?
Later. When I have to get on the ferry, I'll probably be crying. I'll go sit by myself because I hate when I have to go back. This is wonderful. Nature at its finest. So, to the next thing. Mr. Man, what